people singing, praising God, insisting. Nothing, not even the rain can stop us. People.
I know you guys saw that. That's the video of Nigerians standing under the rain. Some under the sun. Like me, when I voted, I stood under the sun for some hours, like 2 hours before I could vote. And we are doing these things just because we want a better nation, not for anything, not for our own self-interest or selfish interest, but that the nation will be better, as like will be good for the generation ahead. But unfortunately, there are a lot of persons that don't want it that way. I saw there was also a video. I think I should play the video of people cooking at the polling centers or polling units. As like Peter Obi presidency brought out the enthusiasm, the zeal in Nigerians to want to vote. I mean, 93 million people registered to vote. This is the highest in the history of Nigeria. Let me show you. Now, so after all what we've seen here, and people came out, did all what they're supposed to do, try their best to vote and do the right thing. The result we are getting so far is that it's as if the adults that came out to vote here in the south just wasted their time, because over there in the north, underage voters, in fact, it's like underage voting is just normal. And after these people slept at the polling centers just to make sure that their vote counts, thugs would come the next day and scatter everything, or the INEC officials will take it to their headquarters and then rig the election. And I was wondering, I don't know if you guys have ever wondered, who is even giving these guys the morale to come and do this? Who is sending them? Who sent them? Just watch this video and that will give you all the answers you need.
It's what we are doing. It's being determined to do it. At all costs, fight for it, grab it, snatch it,
Yes, sir.
and run with it.
Yes, sir. Jagaban. Jagaban. Yes,
It's obvious. Hope you can see it. So the Jagaban himself is the one authorizing thugs that are loyal to the APC to go and snatch ballot papers, kill people, kidnap, steal votes, do all sorts. And then we can see the result. Look at another video where they are now executing what he asked them.
If you don't vote APC for a year, go your house. Nobody force you come here. Go house, so if I see you vote another, I will call look at. If I see you vote another part, go ahead and house. You don't come joke for here. This territory where you get, na APC, go your house. Go relax.
The job was successfully carried, and these guys, this is Agudasu Larry, where they were telling people not to vote if you're not going to vote for APC. So it is very clear who these guys are working for and what they intend to achieve. I can't find the video. There's also a video where MC Olomo, the number one Abguru we have in Lagos, was also threatening the entire Igbo race not to vote in his polling unit. And a police officer was begging him, not arresting him. So if you are seeking for who the grand patron of all these thuggery in Lagos is, the answer has been shown here. And then when you see the results tripping in, don't be too surprised, because it is a groundwork perfected. And then they kept it, worked over it. After all the collation, they didn't want to announce the result until the APC presidential aspirants decide that it should be called.